In 1901, divers off a Greek island pulled a strange, corroded device from a shipwreck. At first, it seemed like nothing more than bronze gears, a curiosity of the sea. But scientists soon realized it was something extraordinary, a mechanical computer designed to predict eclipses, track planets, and map the heavens. It was built 2,000 years ago, long before clocks like it existed in Europe. Who made it? How did they achieve such precision? The answers remain a mystery. The Antikythera Mechanism reminds us that sometimes the past is far more advanced than we imagine.